June 2018 calculator paper. The vector A and the vector B are shown on the grid. Part A, on the grid, draw and label the vector -2A. So A is given to us, it's 1 along and 2 up, and it's going left to right, it's going in this upwards direction. Remember, a vector needs to have a distance and a direction. So, -2A, we know is going to be double the length, so I can demonstrate that as so. So, if A is 1 along, 2 up, it follows that 2A must be 2 along and 4 up. Two along, 4 up. So that would be 2A. However, we don't want 2A, we want -2A. So this implies this part of a vector, direction. So actually, what I can do here is change the direction of the vector to give -2A. It doesn't need to be anywhere in particular on this grid, it just needs to have the correct distance, length 2, and direction in the opposite sense of A. So that's part A. Part B, work out A plus 2B as a column vector. So we're given A and we're given B, so we need to work out what 2B is. So if B is 1 along, 3 down, it follows that 2B must be 2 along and 6 down. So I'll draw that now. I'm going to start here, 1, 2 along, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 down. And 2B is going to go in the same direction as B. So there's 2B, and due to it being a vector, it can go anywhere and it will still always be 2B, regardless of where it goes. We're asked in part B to work out A plus 2B as a column vector. So what we need to do is put 2B on the end of A, and then the column vector will fall out as follows. So A plus 2B is the same as going along A and then along 2B. So by putting 2B at the end of A, that's what we've done. We've gone along A and along 2B. We're following the direction of these arrows. So this is the new vector A plus 2B. And the short way of doing this, finding this as a column vector, is just looking at the direction in the x-axis and in the y-axis. So the x always goes on top. We're going 1, 2, 3 along, so plus 3, and we're going down 1, 2, 3, 4. So that will be our answer as a column vector, A plus 2B. There is another way to solve this. What we can do is we could write A as a column vector, so we know we go 1 along and we go 2 up. So that's A as a column vector, 1, 2. B as a column vector is 1 along, as we know earlier, and 1, 2, 3 down. So that follows that 2B will be 2 along minus 6 down, which is what we found here. So therefore we can add these two column vectors together a plus 2b to give us 1, 2, which is a, plus 2b, which was 2 minus 6, 1 plus 2, 3, 2 minus 6, minus 4. So there's two ways of looking at it there. We can do it this sort of algebraic way, or we can do it in a bit more of a picture format, looking at b, doubling it, and moving the vector over, and finding a plus 2b, and then resolving what that vector is from moving along a and along 2b, and joining the ends. So for that method you need to work out the beginning and where you end up, and then looking and seeing what that vector would be written as in column vector form. I hope that's clear enough. I've shown you two methods there, so I hope that's helpful. Any questions, please comment below, but keep up the hard work, and thank you very much for watching.